I thought I'd record my sunflowers. They are looking gorgeous, and they have a whole bunch of sunflowers, like little satellite sunflowers growing all around them. This one has a whole bunch, but they haven't opened. The other plant has a lot of them that have. Um, Let me show you with the larger one with the open. So here's my larger sunflower, and it has a whole bunch of little sunflowers all around. I don't think I've seen that in previous years. And then there's a smaller one right there, and it also has a whole bunch of them growing all around the main flower. That looks pretty cool. And so here's the larger one. It's a little shadowed right now, but you can see all the other little satellite looking sunflowers all around on the same plant. That's pretty interesting and beautiful all at the same time. Let me show you what the other side looks like on this big one. Isn't that just gorgeous? So pretty. Oh, we got a little visitor. That was so cool.